So Visha, we were telling that you did some documentation for as a part of your research. So did you find any limitations of documenting the event?
Ritual is a part of life. So there is no retake in life. That is the main limitation of the documentation.
Well, documenting Theyyam, what do you experience? Means the real experience of Theyyam, and watching a documentary. Or how do you feel about the experience that is being conveyed in both the mediums?
In every folklore form, especially Theyyam, context is very important. But at the time of documentation, the meaning of context is ruined.
There is a manipulation of context is
Context, yeah.
being happened there. So I think this is a challenging point for filmmakers like us. Right from the history of cinema, we are trying to express the maximum amount of truth in our medium. Like the maximum cinematic experience should be more associated to the truth. That's why even in my research, I'm trying to focus on developing the capabilities of cinema to a level that we can increase the ability of the medium to match the maximum real life experience. That's what the medium is growing up. So I think even though it's not so real, we filmmakers may depict something more real than the real. That's the way we are handling the real. There is a manipulation of reality which make the audience feel it's more real than the real. I think that's a capability of cinematic art. Coming back to the context of this Sangam period and the the religious context of Theyyam, how is it?
Shankaracharya actually challenged the.
Actually, Sangam period, what is the actual historic duration?
No, that is nearly 3,000 or 5,000 years back. First Sangam age and second Sangam age, the historians like bifurcated like so. But anyhow, it is the very ancient life system. Communal life system is begin from Sangam
Almost
age.
you can say the beginning of civilization, proper
Yeah,
civilization.
yeah. So the Naidal, that is coastal people. Coastal people's lifestyle is very different. But whenever a people migrated from forest to coastal area, they are belong to coastal area people. There is no caste system, community system.
Okay.
But on regional base, they are considering. Those who are settling from Marudam to Naidal, they are considered as Naidal people. Those who are migrated from Naidal to Marudam, they are Marudam
So it's
people. Pala.
far before the formation of Chaturvarnya and
Yeah, Chaturvarnya. It is long back, Chaturvarnya. Chaturvarnya is actually, Chaturvarnya, that is according to quality of a man.
okay.
A
Not based on
man,
the profession.
no, not, profession means those who have very knowledge or a skill, a skilled person. Sometimes some people is very technologically very expert, but they are not intellectually or literary expert, not versatile. They are not sometimes versatile, but they are very experts in technology. So sometimes that is why Varma or Kshatriyas, they are very much big shoulder. So in the origin of myth itself, from the mouth of the Brahmins come out. Mouth is teaching and preaching.
Okay.
That is the
So it's more
function of
symbolically related.
Symbolically. At the same time, Vishwamitra, by birth a Kshatriya, but by worship, is become Rajarshi Vishwamitra. Why he become Rajarshi? Rishi means Brahman. So, the Varna system is only depending upon the quality of a man or skill of a man, like so.
And later only,
Later on, that the same thing is happening. There is, all men are equal. But the circumstances, the social system, social order,
brings out this discrimination.
all the things, discriminations. But we are all equal. That concept
I
is.
think at this point we can relate to the concept of Advaita to the.
Why the Adi Shankara established that he is against the Brahmanism.
Oh, he is not a Brahmin. Or?
He is a Brahmin.
Okay.
But he is a institutional, against the institutional Brahmanism,
Okay.
isn't
He
it?
could be called as the rebel of that.
Yeah, rebel. On that time, he's a rebel. Actually, he's a revolutionist on those days. What did actually Shankaracharya? He, on that time, Hindu religion is very flourished on account of, or due to the work of Buddhism and Jainism. That is flourishing in Kerala also. So he want to renovate the Brahmin community. That is when Jaina and Buddha, everybody same. They are proving there
No, what
are
I'm
some
saying is now
discrimination is there.
Okay.
They avoid discrimination. There is no hierarchy of positions and thing. Everybody is same. Then they are liking the world, the atmosphere, then grass, and everything same. Like sir, that type of concept is there. To renovate all these things, he established Advaita Siddhanta. We are saying
Can you
like
explain a bit about the Advaita Siddhanta?
and there is no position of a two as a two. Everything is one. Everything is one. One philosophy is there. That is spirit and body is same. Then all the bodies are the same spirit. Atma. Parabrahma. Like so. That is a very symbol. So that is why in Potandeyam always asking, you are taking the food from our mud. We are preparing this paddy from the mud. Then our lotus is coming from where? Dirty mud. So that is very
Simplifies
everything.
Simplifying the more
Actually,
complex Advaita.
simplifying the Advaita philosophy through this material culture. That is philosophically arguing in this.
So this is a way, like you told, simplifying the complex philosophy, and so that it could be communicated through the common people. So is Theyyam performance is very much communicatable, or can common people understand this complex philosophy when watching this performance?
Yeah, really. This actually Thotam is a script of the performance.
Okay.
A myth and everything. First of all, the script, singing the script. The audience is local audience is there. They are attending these sort of songs. They can understand everything, and they are again come and watching the performance, so they can understand easily. They are describing the script as first with instrumental music, and they are singing the song. That is a script. Then that script is activated and applied by the performer at the time of performance.
Okay.
That is going on.
So, the performance, is it powerfully capable of communicating this? The body language and everything is...
Definitely. So many things are there. How can we express? There is a Paniyan. Paniyan means in Kodamuri Atam, there are Paniyan is there. The mask of the Paniyan and Potandeyam is same. But this mask,
Paniyan, what is Paniyan?
Paniyan means two character of Kodamuri Atam. Kodamuri Atam means that is a agricultural ritual drama. Kodamuri Atam. This Paniyan is also wearing mask. So there is a very funny figure. So their expression is always a funny look.
The concept of Sai Bhava comes in.
Sai Bhava is a part of Sanskritization, Aryanization. Is a part of Aryan culture. Here it is responding among the folk, and they are making joke. Through joke, they are communicating philosophy. Even Potandeyam also. When they are laying over the fire, the performer is laying over the fire. He told, I am very cold on the fire. You don't touch me. I want to stay lay here itself.
There is a concept of dialectic thing and contradictions.
Yeah.
So I think at this point you can tell more about the Chamayam and...
Shamyam is very simple. Chandala, very simple. On those days, Chandala also, they are actually they are covering the bare body with the leaf. That is our ancient people. Our tribes, those days what they are wearing? They are sometimes the skin of a tree or leaf of a tree. It is coconut leaf. That's all. That is very colorful and very, the golden look is there. That, with the reflection of light, that is very shiny. The tender coconut.
I mean, is it in a way the makeup scheme of Theyyam, is it in a way related to the communication, or is it just for the visual?
Visual means, I told you, this is everything is guiding by the script of the myth of that particular performance. The myth is very simple. Chandala with, limited dress like so. Then very, I'd say Brahman is very high.
So, no, I've seen
That sometimes very good Theyyam means Pudya Bhagavati. They are decorating a very good thing. Wealthy, that is necessary.
So it's not medium of communication.
In the story itself, we can understand all the costumes is wearing by the performer. It is related to the myth and the ritual song or totem songs of that particular Theyyam. That is in Kathakali, what is the Pacha? Then that is according to character. Pacha, Minukku, Katti, or Chakanadadi, or Vellatadi. That is according to all these things.
That's in a way related to this.
Then only become the character.
Exactly.
That is depending upon character. All the costumes is depending upon the character. This decided by the script, totem songs.
But I think in Kathakali it's more related to the psychological character or nature of the character. I think.
All these things is bring out from or taken from folk performances.
So that's why
Whether it is Kathakali, or it is Krishnatam, or it is Ramanatam, or it is Kudiyatam, all these technologies and everything is taken from.
So it has this crude form of everything.
Everything. So that is a character is like so. Then headgear. There is no, there is a controversy on those days. There is a Kathakali in 1960s established about Tacholi Odena. Tacholi Odena, this is a martial artist, but on that time they apply Keshabaran Kiridam. But in the history of Kathakali, it is only given to king or like so. There is no soldier is given this type of thing. Same time, in Malla Yuddha, they are using a type of, tying a cloth over the head. So that is Mallas. So this somebody argued that the Tacholi Odena is only given this type of cap. But this is accepted now. Why? Because time is going on. The King Lear is whenever we are presenting a King Lear Kathakali, then we are given such a Pacha, Katti, like so. Some characters like according to the nature of the character, we are selecting something. But actually, this Kathakali art form is not permitted to take.